So once the pockets have been pressed, so the edge is pressed down over the pressing template, this can then be taken, placed under the foot and stitched all the way along its length. And again, we can place in the next one and stitch through them. So this is the stage where you're going to have to prepare the pocket. So you're going to press the seam allowances of the pocket around the template. So the first thing to do is to fold the seam allowance. And to press each edge. And then you can remove the template and the pocket will be ready to be placed onto the fabric and stitched down. At this stage we're going to show you attaching the pocket to the main body of the bag. So take the pocket that you've pressed, find the alignment points on the front of the bag and place the pocket just over them so it hides the alignment marks. And make sure the seam allowances are folded down and then place it up and underneath the foot, starting from the top right hand corner of the pocket bag, making sure the seam allowances stay folded under after they've been pressed, stitch down, making sure the pocket doesn't move. So you should stitch down to the first corner, stitch right into the corner, then turn the bag, stitch again along the bottom, making sure the seam allowances stay down and are caught in with the top stitching. And again stitch back up the final side, so you've stitched around all three edges, and at this point you're going to do a reinforcing corner stitch. So you come over for 5 or 6 millimeters, maybe 3 or 4 stitches, and then stitch down and back, and then you'll return again to the first area you began to stitch and do the reinforcing stitching on that edge as well, just to reinforce that corner of the pocket. And now you've attached the pocket to the main body of the bag.